When it comes to industrializing 3D printing, the Flying Ray by Kurtz Ersa is your ideal choice. Fast, easy to handle, just print your production. The future of metal processing will be changed by 3D printing. With its Flying Ray, Kurtz Ersa makes it a child play. Smart technology, professional industry quality, as well as a unique versatility, these are the characteristics of the Flying Ray. This 3D printer is a must-have for those who want to print either one big part or multiple smaller parts at the same time, faster than ever before. The open system allows for complete control and individual parameters for every user. 3D printing has never been as easy. Flying Ray, the Kurtz Ersa among the 3D printers.